Welcome to the Ultimate Microwave Buyer's Guide. In this video, we'll help you master the technology and make the right choice for your kitchen needs. First, consider your cooking style. Do you want culinary precision or versatile convenience? An OTG, which stands for oven, toaster, and griller, uses dry heat for perfect baking and roasting. A convection microwave uses versatile tech to reheat food fast and save space. Next, match the microwave type to your primary cooking action. A solo microwave heats food, a grill microwave toasts food, and a convection microwave bakes food. Select the type that best suits your daily cooking routine. Align the internal capacity with your family size. Small families need 18L to 20L. Medium families need 20L to 30L. Large families require 30L or more for comfortable cooking. For optimal cooking performance, target 1000 watts. The standard range is 800W to 1200W. But 1000W is the sweet spot that expands your recipe options. Prioritize smart features for even heating. Look for auto-cook menus to automate cooking times, sensor cooking to dynamically adjust heat, and inverter technology to ensure food heats evenly. Ensured daily safety and easy maintenance are included. Essential features include a child safety lock, a defrost function for safe thawing, and a stainless steel interior for easy cleaning. Measure your kitchen space before you buy. Check the counter width and ensure you leave adequate ventilation room. Finally, match your budget to the model type you've chosen. Consider top brands for their unique technical advantages. LG features charcoal heating and high reliability. Samsung uses ceramic enamel, resisting interior scratches. IFB provides robust cooking and offers an extended warranty. This is your ultimate microwave buying blueprint. Pick the right type, select the size, verify the power, and choose a reliable brand. Following these steps will lead you to the perfect microwave.